Oh, I've made it grubby again. Alrighty guys, we're back and today's the day we finally get to head up into the Snowy Mountains.
Yay.
Or at least that's the plan. We've just had a really busy weekend doing some market events and we've woken up today in Wagga Wagga at pretty dodgy looking free camp, I would say. I think we were camped out of bounds actually, so we weren't technically in the free camp. Anyway, we've just been to the gym, had our showers. We're going to get some fuel, get some groceries, and then we're going to switch our water tanks because tonight we're expecting to be in, hopefully, some sub-zero. We've heard there's some snow. There's been some weather warnings, actually, coming.
Not today, though.
Not today?
That's in a couple of days.
Okay, so we might wake up in a blizzard.
No. In a couple of days we'll wake up in a blizzard.
A couple of days.
Not tomorrow.
Oh, well. So we're heading up from a little town called Tumut, which is at the base of the Snowy Mountains on the northern side. Actually, we met a lady in Tumut 5 weeks ago. Lived in Tumut her whole life. Never seen the snow.
Oh, yeah.
And she lives right at the foot of the Snowy Mountains. Anyway, so maybe we'll see her and then we'll try and get her involved and we'll take her up with us. Hopefully the road is still open and hopefully we can kind of get through with our front wheel drive big heavy van. We were chatting with a guy the other day and he said there's a lot of snow up there, so we're pretty excited. All right, let's hit the road. 10 degrees outside, it's balmy.
Balmy.
It's all brand new. We got some firewood. Usually we'll buy it one day and then it'll be like 2 or 3 days before we actually get to use it. We jinx ourselves.
Alright, cool.
On the way to Tumut.
Tumut.
Sorry.
Alright, so we're not far from Tumut now. There is some weather coming, so we're going to try and find somewhere that we can pull over that's not too shady, and then we can pop our panels up, take advantage of the sun while we've got it, top our batteries up, and maybe we'll eat while we're there.
Alrighty, we found a little spot here. We're at 77%, which is pretty good. And also, we're 2 days after the winter solstice. So we are in the depths of winter at this point, really. So this will be a good test. This will be our first proper test.
No roast though.
No roast, not yet.
It will be coming, but not yet.
So we're currently getting 540 watts at the moment. We have a total capacity of 1200. So maybe we can get like 1,000. That would be ideal. Ooh, so we're getting 950 watts.
Gee, good guess.
Not bad. We're not quite square with the sun at the moment, but I think if we were, we'd probably be getting 1,000. We can do better than that. We'll do better than that. So we'll chill out here for maybe an hour while we'll have lunch, soak up the sun, and then we'll keep on heading up the mountain. Massive bowl of vegetables. Sorry?
There's a lot of lettuce underneath the vegetables.
Ah, okay. Well, it looks very yummy. This is a late lunch for us. It's like, what is it, 1:30? Yeah, it's 1:30 now. All right, we'll finish eating this and then we'll get back on the road. Oh, the sun's out again. Alrighty, it's getting late in the day.
It just looks late. It's not that late.
Feels late. Okay, so we're just looking at the forecast and it's going to be pretty warm tonight and possibly the next night as well. So we're not going to empty our main tank. We're actually just going to fill it up. Hope for the best at the moment.
Well, the water tank has frozen.
One of those taps where you can't let go of it, you gotta like hold on to it. So we were here like 6 weeks ago. All these trees were covered in their leaves. Now they're all sleeping, I guess.
Yep. It was so green too.
Man, I just want to get up the mountain so bad.
I can tell. So we're finally heading up. As always, Mondays can be just spending the whole day doing chores, which is kind of annoying, but anyway, has to happen. It's about 3:30. We've got a spot in mind which we've been to before. It's kind of like a track that you take off the main road, so it's a dirt track. We're not 100% sure if we're going to be able to do the track. This vehicle's not really equipped for that, but there are definitely some gravel like lay-bys that we know of up on top of the mountain. There are a couple of national park campgrounds that are also nearby, and we can just go to them, and it's like $6 a night. So we've got a few options. Hopefully there's snow up there. It'd be really nice to see some finally, but if not, we'll get some in a couple of days. Snow.
Might be some horses. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a whole bunch of them. Can't hear.
So there's a creek, and then it's right there. So this is the track that we've taken before.
Oh wow, it's super rutted. If you probably can't see further along, it's like really rutted.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like we're not going to be able to get up there because someone's ruined it.
It's also just all that snow's melted.
Well, do we want to turn around and go
I think keep going forward a bit.
a bit?
Yeah, because there might be some other spots.
Okay.
And then we can always turn around.
So you can't actually see it, but where the camp is up. It goes up a hill, and then there's a plateau, and there's a flat spot up there. And last time we were there, there was like a dozen wild horses hanging around us,
Just chilling.
chewing the grass, hanging out. How far along is the turning bay?
It wasn't too far.
That's us, I reckon. Not as much snow as we were expecting. And it's currently 2 degrees, Sash. There's like a burnt out building over here. I don't know what's going on. Lost its roof. Come on, snow. It's pretty cold. And we're in a pretty flat, good spot. We've got good access out of here if we do get snow. But I wouldn't mind if we got stuck for a day or two. And we've got the main road just over there, so we could always stick our thumb out and ask a big truck to pull us out if we have to.
Well, cup of tea time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, cup of tea?
Cup of tea.
Right, yeah, let's have a hot drink.
What is not?
If it does get really cold, the water tank shouldn't freeze, not in one night.
We were at -4 the other night.
I'm surprised that the hose didn't freeze, because the tank might not freeze, but the hose, the line, that'll freeze. I'm just wearing a shirt at the moment. I'm happy as, and it's 2 degrees outside. Ooh, the air coming in here is cold. Woo!
Let me turn it off.
Yeah, we should probably turn this off. And fancy that, seeing brumbies. Usually it'll take a few days at least before we catch a glimpse of some brumbies. And there's a big pack of them.
I didn't think we'd see any.
Yep. Yeah, they were culling horses not long ago. They might be doing it again actually this month. We were getting told by a chap 2 days ago that the population's down to about 6,000.
Oh. We just had a honey blowout because of the altitude.
Oh, blimey. So this is, I don't know, some old building. And this is where we're staying the night. So hopefully tomorrow morning we get a bit of snow action. Woo-wee! Yeah, it's pretty cold. Better go back inside, have a cup of tea. We might have a fire tonight. We might cook our dinner just here on the ground, get a fire going. We've got the timber or the wood from the service station, but it's still a bit early yet. So I think we'll just hang out for a little bit and stay warm and wait for the snow to come.
Okay, I'm going to start cooking dinner. So we're cooking our meat on the fire outside. I'm going to make a cucumber salad, a carrot salad, and then a little feta dish on the side. So I'm going to, what's this called? I'm going to peel the carrots. harissa, olive oil, maybe a bit of honey, and some salt. And lemon would have been good, but I don't have any. Alas. That's that. Then we're gonna do a cucumber salad, but it's more Asian style. Soy sauce, sesame oil. I've run out of rice vinegar, so I have to use normal vinegar, unfortunately. It's not the same. But maple syrup's good in it. Definitely sesame seeds. It's better if you toast them, but I haven't. Bird's eye chili. Smidge of salt. Okay, so with the feta, I'm going to make I don't know if you can call it a Greek salad because there's no olives because we don't have any, but it's going to be feta, onion, tomato, and capsicum. Kind of a Greek salad. Oh, onion.
It's claiming that it's 6 degrees.
Yeah. Done. So that's our salads for the night. Yummy!
Got to cook the rest of the dinner, but we don't want to use our power, so I have to go outside in the rain. Well, it was raining a minute ago.
It's not raining anymore.
It was raining.
And I'll be out there helping. Are you going to put a jumper on at least?
Yeah. Yes, I'm going to be out there for a little while. I have to chop up the firewood. And unfortunately, I have to open up the back to get the barbecue gear and the saw out and the axe. So we're going to let a bit of the warmth out. It's all part of the fun, I guess. Mm-hmm. Hey,
You can't go to the snow and complain about the cold.
No, I'm not complaining. Just anticipating.
So it's not that bad.
Alrighty, well the fire is lit. Get that going. So dark out here though. Ooh-wee. Let me just get
Sooner
this.
the better.
Oh
Probably.
man, this fire really swings around, doesn't it? I think we're going to have to do it like that with the flames still going because I think the wind is going to blow away any...
Yeah.
Ooh, it's getting windy.
Oh yeah. How's that sizzle? What do you reckon, bud?
I reckon this fire needs to behave itself. Can't get near it. Hey.
Some good char there, bud. I wonder what that truck's doing right now. Like, what's its job?
You mean the truck and the ute that went past?
Yeah.
Well, the truck's being a truck and the ute's being a ute. I mean, what do you mean?
It's terrible.
The truck's doing what trucks do. And the ute's tagging along, hoping for some action.
Yeah, righto. Cool. I'm the one-handed bandit. Oh, it was just starting to get cold out there. I don't have my big jacket on. Okay, lid for that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. We're doing a round the world trip tonight with our salads.
Oh yeah, what have we got?
Middle Eastern, Asian, Greek.
That's a lot of feta. We always seem to do steak.
I don't have steak in Asia.
This is true. This is our first we were house sitting for 5 weeks. So this is our first few days back in the van, isn't it? So tonight we've got our front windscreen and cab window covers on, containing all the light inside the van, not having our little van glowing on the side of the road for everyone to see. Mm-hmm. All right, so we've finished dinner. We're full up. Now we're going to play a board game. We only just discovered this board game. Some friends of ours introduced us to it. It's called Sequence. We like it, so we bought one. Whoa, brand new cards.
Brand new cards.
Oh, good job, good job. And it's kind of like Connect 4, and the cards determine where you can place your pieces. It's called Sequence. It's a cool game. Check it out. Not a sponsor. Not a sponsor. Anyway, we're going to play some card games. Maybe we'll see you in a bit.
After I've won.
Yeah, for some hot chocolate. So we've been playing this game for maybe half an hour now, and it's been raining the whole time. Quite a lot of rain too. If it was cold enough, we'd just be sitting here going, tomorrow we're going to wake up surrounded by snow. It was a draw after all that, so I guess that's all right. We're going to start packing up the van now though. We always shut this, even though we're in the middle of nowhere and there's no one that we need to hide from.
For the cold.
We just shut this for the cold, yeah, like that whole area of the van is all glass, so it's not very well insulated. Having this curtain here does help keep things a little bit warmer, which is nice. Wow, it's windy out there. Like a blizzard, but without without actual snow.
But it's rain! Alrighty
Oh.
guys, we're gonna go to bed. Someone's going loopy.
I'm going loopy. Tomorrow night we'll be in Jindabyne. Maybe not.
Who knows where we'll be?
Maybe we'll get snowed in and we'll just be stuck here for the next week.
We'll see you in the next video guys.
See ya.
See ya.